This database represents a library management system where the goal is to manage members, books, authors, publisher, categories, book copies, fines, and transactions. It records who borrow books, their membership details, book information, and any fines or payment paid. Members register with a library and are given a member ID. Each member has personal details like address, phone number, email, membership date, and status, whether it's active or inactive. Authors are linked to books they have written. Each author has a author ID, name, birth date, and nationality. Publisher provide the published book. They are identified using a publisher ID and include contact information like address, phone, and email. Categories classify the book into topics or genres. For example, programming or technology. Each category has a category ID, name, and description. Books are identified by their International Standard Book Number or the ISBN. Each book is connected to a category ID. This is the what type of book it is, and an author ID, who wrote it, and the publisher ID. Books also have titles, descriptions, publication years, and language. Book copies represent a physical copies of each book available in the library. Each copy has a book copy ID, ISBN, to know which book it refers to, its status, whether it's borrowed or available, and then borrow date, return date, and condition. When a member borrows a book copy, that activity is recorded through the book copies and book tables. The book copy ID identifies which extra copy was borrowed. The member ID identifies who borrowed it. Then the borrow date and return date track the loan period. If a member damages or loses a book, a fine is issued. Each fine has a fine ID, member ID, copy ID, amount, status, whether it is paid or unpaid, fine reason, and date assessed. Once a fine is issued, the transaction tables record the payment. Each transaction has a transaction ID, the member ID, fine ID, amount, payment type, whether it is cash, GCash, etc., and payment date.
The library management system efficiently manages all libraries operations, including member registration, book records, and borrowing transactions. Each member can borrow books that are linked to specific authors, publishers, and categories. The management system tracks every book copy status, including borrow and return dates, to ensure accurate monitoring. If a book is lost or damaged, a fine is automatically recorded and connected to a member's account. All payment and transactions are stored in database, ensuring organized, reliable, and transparent library management.